Okay, here's a really cool way to make awards for your kids based on your Bitmojis. They are edible Bitmoji digital awards, and they're great for digital badges that you can give the kids in class. And so what you do is you go into your file and you're going to do your page setup, and you have here, you're going to hit custom 192 times 192 and then apply. Next thing you're going to do is you will grab a shape and you're going to use the border shape, and you will customize it to the size here. Then you will use that orange dot. This orange dot will make it bigger, or we'll pull it out. Okay, gotta pull it out. Let me just move it down here because it won't let me go higher. Okay, and I gotta keep pulling it because I just want it to be at the edges. And just a little bit more. Okay, just to about there. That's going to be your frame for your Bitmoji. And then you can collect it in there. And just to make sure the size is a perfect square, you can always check, format your options, check your sizing. Okay, this is not perfect. We would like it to be, let's say, 190. And then this should be 190. Now it's a perfect square. Again, to find that, you click your shape, right click, format, check your size, and it should be the same 190 by 190. Now let's see which award I would like to give the kids. Let me just slide that. Okay. I'm going to go to my Bitmojis, and what are some words that you can say, an affirmation that they know that they did a wonderful job. Okay, why don't we just say, you're the best. And you can just look. Oh, I'm like sitting there going, why doesn't it say best? I adore you, you're the best. Oh, there we go, we've got you're the best award. Okay, we're gonna put that into it. It comes in really small. Just stay to the right, make it bigger so that it takes up the whole award. And you're also going to want to make sure that this is in the back. So right click, order, send back. Now I also want to customize the border. It has like a goldish color, so I'm going to go here, look at my gradients. That's okay, but I love to customize my colors, so I'm going to go into customize, and I want to change one of them into the brown. Let's say that brown. And then I want to change the other one, there is a gold here. And then you can play with it. You can make it top to bottom, top to left, bottom right. You can make it linear if you want. You can play with the direction just till you see what you like. I like it to go from down to up. Let's see. Kind of like down to up. Let's check 270. Okay. And then you hit OK. So now your style goes along with the middle of that. So that's you're the best. I've created quite a few for you. All you have to do is go in and find them. And as you can see, these make great digital awards. And whenever you want to give them to the kids, then you are going to have to save them individually. You can do these on Google Draw, save as an image, or you can do these badges. And then you just take the badges and then you can save them as PNG. So whichever one you want to try to save as a PNG, let's say I want to save this one. I'll take the other ones off for a minute. Let's see. Because you can only do one at a time. File, download as a PNG. It's gonna, okay. And then you can just put them all in a file. I'll put them on my desktop. And I'm going to create a new file for them. Just bear with me 1 second. New folder. And I'm going to call these digital badges. And I'll open that file. No, I want digital badges. I need to open the file for that. Again, right click, new folder, digital badges. Then you click it open. Okay, it must be somewhere. Did I put it somewhere already? Oh, there it is. Okay. Open it up. And then this is my You're the Best. And save. And then you're going to go through each one again. We don't need this one. And then file. Download as the PNG. And then thumbs up. And you're just going to go through this until you have all of your badges. Okay, I'm just going to undo all of these so you can have these. If you like the borders, I'm going to leave the borders here for you. And what happens is, let's say you open a chart. Where's one of my charts? Okay, let's say the kids did a great job and I want to give them a badge. I can just insert an image from my computer, and I have it on my desktop under digital badges. Where are they? There they are. And I want to tell them you're the best. And now I have the badge, and the badge can be made bigger or smaller, and it's an image, so they can't separate it. So this is how you make the digital secondary badges. I'm going to put that in there for everyone to use. All you have to do is add your own Bitmojis,